Welcome the our channel. Today we how to start building credit with Discover, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start building credit with Discover, the first step is to visit the Discover website. Look for the options related to credit cards. Choose a card that fits your needs, such as a student card or a secured card. Read through the benefits and features of the card you choose. Make sure to review the eligibility requirements for the card. Once you've selected a card, click on the Apply Now button. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Next, provide your income information. Be honest about your income, as this helps determine your credit limit. After filling in the required details, review your application for accuracy. When you're ready, submit the application for approval. You may receive an instant decision or have to wait for further review. If approved, you will receive a confirmation email with your card details. Once your card arrives, activate it according to the instructions provided. Now it's time to use your card wisely to build credit. Make small purchases that you can easily pay off each month. Always pay your bill on time to avoid late fees and negative credit impact. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 30% of your limit. Monitor your credit score regularly using Discover's free credit monitoring tools. This will help you track your progress as you build your credit history. Remember to keep your credit accounts open, even when not in use. With responsible management, you will establish a positive credit profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.